CyberOptics is a sensor technology company. We specialize in developing and manufacturing advanced sensing technologies. We are focused right now on two specific technology platforms, MRS, which is a 3D non-contact optical sensing technology platform, and WaferSense, which is a semiconductor sensing technology platform. Our customers are going through incredible transition as we speak right now. There's a lot of changes coming their way with all the new advances in electronics and semiconductor technologies. Customers are stacking chips now, building chips in 3 dimensions that didn't happen before, and that's opened a new plethora of challenges as well as opportunities for our customers. So they are dealing with smaller devices in electronic boards, they are dealing with stacked chips in semiconductor packages, and that creates unique manufacturing challenges for them. Right now the situation is that many advanced smartphones or other electronic devices are using stacked chips, but the inspection technologies are not quite there to keep up with the demand. So many of the manufacturers are struggling to find the right inspection solutions, and manual inspection is being done, which is the last thing you want for advanced electronics. Ultimately, our customers want to make sure their processes are in control, their yields are high, their cost is the lowest that they can possibly do, and their quality is excellent.
In the advanced packaging market, they're pushing the state of the art with new applications such as 5G, high-performance computing, mobile. And anytime that you push the state of the art in a packaging technology or any process technology, yields will drop as you push the state of the art.
Where we are coming in with our advanced MRS technology is enabling the speed, accuracy, and resolution that can do 100% inspection of the entire package in one pass. And that is 2 to 3 times faster than any competing technology.
In the advanced packaging, some of these packages have tens of thousands of IOs, and all it takes is for one interconnect to fail, such that the whole module will be not usable or be scrapped. And so the ability then to be able to do the geometrical and defect inspection to ensure that those interconnects are going to work when you assemble the package, that part is critical. What we bring in terms of the innovation, it's the 100% inspection capability that previously had not been available to our customers.
Advanced packaging inspection is already a $400 million market growing at 25 to 30% CAGR, and the growth is expected to even grow higher in the future because of the needs that are coming in this area. We are just entering in that market with our latest MRS nano sensing technology. We are well positioned to grow with this market in the next decade or so.